Need a personal loan? This Chime review explores your options. Find Chime links below. Chime offers modern banking, not traditional loans. Instead, explore SpotMe for fee-free overdrafts up to $200 or the Chime Credit Builder card to boost your credit score. While Chime doesn't loan directly, these features help cover short-term needs without high interest. SpotMe handles small expenses when you're low on cash. Eligibility requires regular direct deposits. No interest or overdraft fees make it a cheaper payday loan alternative. Limits start low, increasing with account activity. The Credit Builder card lets you spend your available balance, reporting payments to credit bureaus, no interest or fees. Chime also partners with Credit Karma and LendingTree for third-party loan options. Loan terms and rates vary based on your creditworthiness. Chime's advantage is fee-free banking, no monthly fees, minimum balances, or overdraft penalties. Plus, get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. Chime is ideal for managing cash flow and building credit, not large loans. For those, explore third-party lenders. Customer support is available via chat, email, and phone with quick response times. Chime is great for short-term needs and credit building, avoiding traditional loan debt. Want fee-free banking with cash advances? Consider Chime. Check the links below for more.